Umwe wa mathina maria makoretwo makigumira bururi ni utheremu wa ciiko cia ungumania na riu Ritana ni riikitio kuri Atari a mathabu honge-ini itiganite na makiria thirikari nene na cia kaunti metikire gukorwo muhariini wa mbere hari guteithiriria bara ya ungumania. Ritana riri riikitio ni munini wa jaji munene wa igoti-ini Philomena Mwilu uria uraragia hindi ya kigomano kia 39 kia o mwaka kia Atari a mathabu kiria kirathie na mbere Gicua-ini. Akiuga ni wigiririki wa Atari a mathabu gutigirira mbeca cia muingi ni ciarutithio wira uria ibati.
Do not ignore or cover up impropriety. Do not cover up complaints and audit concerns for bribes or such other improper inducements. Where you find something is not or has not been done right, you must say it. Not only must you say it, but you must also do something about it.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kiungano kia Atari ya mathabu George Mukira ni uritie thirikari irekagiririe kigina gia thirikari cia kaunti ihinda-ini riria riagirire niguo kuhotithia kuriha mathiri kuri ene kandarathi.
Latest data from the control of budget show that several counties led by Nairobi County have amassed billions in pending bills from the last financial year from the previous governments. The rise in unpaid bills highlights the disregard by counties to act on directives issued by the Office of the President and the National Treasury to clear the areas in a bid to ease cash flow malaise in the private sector.
Hamwe na uu, Atari ya mathabu ni mendekithitie kurekererio kwa naihenya gwa kigina kia onjoria athi nikio Hustler Fund kiria President William Ruto eranire niguo magana ma onjoria athi mahote kugunika na gwikuria kibiashara.
We also urge that the Hustler Fund be rolled out as quickly as possible so that the small medium enterprises who are already feeling the heat of COVID ramifications can be able to benefit from it.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.